Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have a special laptop. This one is a really rare laptop and I haven't seen many of them in few years. It's been a year I haven't seen one of these, and these are called Eluktro Pro notebook laptop. The model is a P957hr, and these are gaming laptops, pretty much like a mid-high end laptops. And in this video, I'm gonna take you over how you can upgrade the hard drive, the SSD, and what are the combinations that you can have, and what are the best combination that you should have in this laptop. And I'll leave the link for SSD compatible ones and good brands in my video description if you need to, and the tools that I'll be using in this video. Before we do any upgrade on the hard drives, always remember backup your files, your documents, everything that you have on an external hard drive or on a cloud, because once you replace the hard drive in here or upgrade the SSDs, you will not have any operating systems and your old files will be inside the drive that you'll be removing from here. So you want to back up your personal files. With all those said, we're going to start getting to it, and we're going to open it up. So first tool you're going to need is an UFIXTEK screwdriver set, or I use this one because I have one of the best bits out there. These are S2 class steel. We're going to be using a Phillips #1. If you get the Pro set, they include you with an opening tools, tweezers, and a few other stuff. But if you want to get the Pro set, get the basic set. And for the opening tool, I'll be using a guitar pick, and metallic guitar picks are really suitable to opening cases and covers. Alright, with all these two on hand, we're going to start removing all the screws on the bottom of the cover, bottom of the laptop. The two in the middle right here, they have a keyboard signature on it. And there are three on the cover at the back, one there, and one right there. Don't forget this one. People usually don't see these ones here. So go ahead and remove all the screws and keep them in one pile. Also, if you guys like my videos and you want to support the channel, you can do that by clicking that like and subscribe. I'll greatly appreciate it. It'll be a tremendous help and motivation for me to make more videos, take requests, answer your questions in the comment area. I really appreciate that. Alright, there we have it. Now, once we remove all the screws, just double check, make sure you haven't missed any. Next is we're gonna grab the opening tool and we're gonna stick it between the bottom cover, the metal cover on the bottom, and the palm rest right there. And we're gonna twist it like this, and you should hear a few clicks. That's what you want to hear. You want to hear those click noise. Do that all around to the sides. Go to the corner back. And to the left and right side. And the bottom cover should come out pretty easy. And there it is, already coming out. So put it back down and lift up the bottom cover. And there you have it. Alright, down here we're going to see right away the mechanical hard drive, which is right over here. And then we're gonna see the RAM and the M.2 NVMe drive, which is right here. These are PCI Express, so you can put an NVMe drive, which is much more faster than regular SATA M.2s. So get those ones. I'll recommend you guys to grab an NVMe, but then a Samsung brand. Those are one of the best brands out there. I'll recommend you guys grab the Samsung Evo 980 Pro, which are one of the best ones, durable, and you can put these ones in here. To remove this M.2 drive, you don't need to remove the battery to do this service. It's absolutely not necessary, but if you do, you just pull this jack backward and you disconnect the battery, but you don't need to do that. To remove the M.2, there's only one screw holding it, so go ahead and remove this tiny screw, and the M.2 SSD will come out in 45-degree angle. All you need to do is to grab it and pull it out in the same 45-degree angle. And there you have it. This one is a 256 gig, but if you want to grab a 1 terabyte Samsung brand, you want to make sure the notch on the NVMe matches the notch on the DIMM. There's a little tiny notch right over here. And you want to bring it down in 15-20 degree. And you want to push it towards the DIMM all the way in. And then simply push it towards the motherboard, hold it down, and put the tiny screw right over to hold it in place. That's how you remove or upgrade the M.2 NVMe. Then we have the mechanical drive here. This one is being held down by a caddy, a metallic caddy. Well, we call them half caddy because only is like a half circle right here. We're gonna remove one screw right over here at the back. Once you remove that, you can just lift up the caddy, bring it up, and bring it like this in this position. Now we need to disconnect this connector. You want to lift up the flip thing right here upward 90 degrees, and then you want to pull out this connector flex cable. Just slide it out, and that's how you remove this hard drive. Now you need this adapter. To pull the adapter, do not pull on the cable, just hold it from the side of the adapter and pull the adapter out. So you need this one to put new drive in here. Now this is a 500 gig. You want to grab a 1 terabyte hard drive if you want, another mechanical one. You want to put it side by side, and you want to make sure the SATA connector and the power connector are matching. So you want to be in this position. And now what you want to do, you want to remove this metal bracket from here, put it on the other one. So you want to remove this screw in here and the screw on the other side, grab the caddy and put it on this one and screw it down so you have the same position. Once you have this one in here, then you just want to grab the adapter. The adapter goes in only one way in. The adapter on this one is kind of broken. Somebody already opened it up. There's a little notch broken in here. It's not in here because I haven't broken. So the adapter is kind of broken in here. So that's very important. You just pull it straight. Do not pull it sideways or anything like that. And there we have it. If you want to put an SSD drive, it will work with any SSD drives. All the SSD drives are the same thing as a mechanical drive. This is an SSD. You can put an SSD up to 4 terabyte, but it will take only low profile mechanical drive up to 2 terabyte. Because the 4 terabyte mechanical drives are really thick and it will not fit in here. Alright, once you have this one, alright, next what you want to do, you want to open up the lock for the hard drive right there, and you want to slide down the flex cable evenly into the connector right in there. It's kind of hard to do it with the camera in front of you, so I'm going to do it. I don't want to stick my finger in there so you guys don't see it. I'm going to slide it right underneath. Right in there. And then you want to lock it down, and you want to bring the hard drive over, put it down, and the last thing would be to put the bottom screw right at the back here. Alright, once we put the last screw right in there, and now all you need to do is to grab the bottom cover, bring it over, set it down, and then push it down. Make sure it does clicks. That's normal. And the last thing would be to just grab the bottom screws and put it on the bottom cover. Again, remember, you will not have any operating system in this SSD that you put in. So you have to download Windows 10 and put in a USB boot drive and then install your Windows. I have made a video how to create your Windows 10 USB boot drive. I'll leave that link in my video description. I've also made a video how to install the Windows 10 proper way. Those links can be found. If you have any question or requests, feel free to leave them in a video comment. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Just gonna finish up putting up the bottom screws. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe if you want to support the channel.